The Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 improves sexual function. Do you remember when you and your partner first started dating and every touch you shared was exciting? Do you remember what it was like to explore and discover each other's likes and dislikes? Every man, the day after he's married, hears "happy wife, happy life," primarily from, well, his wife. If you're lucky, you'll get to hear it from your mother-in-law as well. For most people, physical intimacy is an important part of a happy and satisfying relationship. But as you age, the physical transformations of your body undergoes a major influence on your sexuality. Declining hormone levels and changes in neurological and circulatory functioning may lead to sexual dysfunction. Sexual dysfunction can be any problem that prevents a person or couple from experiencing satisfaction from sexual activity. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, replaced the term impotence, a term that's derived from the Latin for loss of power. Causes of erectile dysfunction. Diseases: diabetes, heart and vascular disease, neurological disorders, kidney failure, liver failure, and many others. Blood vessel problem. In older men, blood vessel problems tend to be the main reason for ED. Poor blood circulation. The most common physical causes of erectile dysfunction are related to circulation and blood pressure. Nerve damage. Nerves must be working normally for a man to get and keep an erection. Nerves can be damaged by diabetes, multiple sclerosis, prostate surgery, or damage to the spinal cord. Weak pelvic floor muscle function. The bulbocavernosus muscle of the pelvic floor compresses the deep dorsal vein of the penis to prevent the outflow of blood from an enlarged penis. If there is a weakness in the pelvic floor, and in particular the bulbocavernosus muscle, outflow of blood may not be prevented as well, leading to erectile dysfunction. Medication. Antihistamines, decongestants, antidepressant drugs, antihypertensive, and many others. Psychological issues. In younger men, the problem is most often psychological. Stress, depression, and performance anxiety, especially when in a new sexual situation, can be the cause. Another psychological cause is past sexual trauma. How Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 can help. The purpose of Mode 6 is to improve sexual function by improving urinary and genital function. Sexual dysfunction is prevalent in both men and women. The Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 is effective for women too. The fastest way to cure sexual dysfunction is to attend to heart and vascular health, psychological health, and to use the Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 regularly. The Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 operates on the acupressure and moxibustion acupoints located at the back and the associated organs stated in the pattern. The spinal nerves and the connected organs are also to be treated by the chiropractic principle. Mode 6 simultaneously uses massage, acupressure, moxibustion, far infrared heat, and chiropractic principles in addressing the health problem. Connected areas are T2, T3, T10, T11, L2, L3, S1, and S2. The Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 with chiropractic principle aims to correct the root cause of nervous system dysfunction. It is an excellent method for improving erectile dysfunction. It can not only decrease physical issues related to this condition, but it can also improve some psychological concerns that contribute to it and can minimize symptoms altogether. The Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 in treating ED is holistic, taking the view that a healthy body is a body in balance. As problems with sexual health are linked with imbalances of the kidney, liver, and heart, Mode 6 therapy focuses on restoring balance and a smooth flow of qi in these vulnerable systems. Once the balance has been restored to the body, all functions, including sexual functions, improve. Acupoints and meridian pathways of Mode 6. Acupressure and moxibustion points of Mode 6 can help dilate the penile blood vessels, helping to increase blood flow. In Oriental medicine, The bladder 27 and 34 are known as the sacral points, because the acupressure and moxibustion points are on the sacrum that is located at the base of the spine. Acupressure and moxibustion on these points help relieve impotence, sacral pain, sexual reproductive problems, and so on. Associative relation of organs in sexual dysfunction treatment of mode 6 pattern. Associated organs are lungs, heart, kidney, liver, spleen and bladder. What exactly is qi? According to Oriental medicine, qi is the life force that drives every activity in organic life forms. A balanced qi is vital to your good physical and mental health. If it is out of balance, meaning in excess or lacking, it could be the reason for a dysfunction in the body. Insufficient qi or yang affects sexual function directly. The lungs bring oxygen into the body, to provide energy, and remove carbon dioxide, the waste product created when you produce energy. The lungs dominate and control the overall qi of the body by maintaining an unobstructed circulation of qi around the body. The responsibility of the heart is to be the emperor of all organs, even of the brain, for the commander-in-chief achieved dominion over the whole body by governing blood and vessels. Erectile dysfunction, as it is formally known, is often an early warning sign of heart disease or other circulatory problems. Kidney. From an Oriental medicine perspective, the ability to develop and maintain an erection is primarily the responsibility of the kidney and liver, with involvement from the heart and spleen, which are closely related. The kidney's main function is to store jing, an essence that contains all the critical ingredients needed to make a new life and controls the maturation of sexual instinct. Insufficient kidney jing, qi or yang, therefore, affects sexual function directly. Liver. The kidney and liver are the two primary organs related to erectile dysfunction in the Oriental medicine understanding. The kidney stores the essence, while the liver stores blood. Essence can be recognized as a power that is responsible for growth, development, and reproduction. Besides, it participates in the generation of blood and can enhance immunity. In addition to storing blood, the liver can modulate blood volume and maintain the flow of blood. Sexual and reproductive functions are also under the control of the liver. Thereby, the kidney and liver are two important organs with a wide range of functions in Oriental medicine. Spleen. The spleen is responsible for transforming food and water and converting it into new qi energy and new blood with the help of the heart and kidney. Since the spleen is responsible for transforming and transporting nutrients for bodily functions, a deficiency in spleen, qi, will result in inadequate nourishment for the organs, suppressing their optimal functions, causing the individual to feel sluggish and tired. In Oriental medicine, fatigue is often attributed to a deficiency in spleen, qi. Bladder. The bladder system in Oriental medicine has far more influence in the body than just over fluid transformation and excretion. Each yang organ is paired with a yin organ, and the bladder is paired with the kidneys. The kidneys are one of the most important energy systems in Oriental medicine. They store some of our deepest levels of energy, being the root of all yin and yang in the body and hold our essence. The kidneys often exert an effect on the bladder system when there is a weakness. This means that sometimes problems with the kidney energy can be detected and treated sooner by treating the bladder or the bladder channel. The bladder channel. In acupressure, acupuncture, and moxibustion, the most essential aspect of the bladder channel is treating the back. The bladder acupoint. Bladder 23 and bladder 47 are combined known as the sea of vitality points that are located on the lower back, between the second and the third lumbar vertebrae, 2 finger widths away from the spine at the level of the waist. These are extremely beneficial points of acupressure and moxibustion for infertility that helps in treating impotency, premature ejaculation, sexual reproductive problems, fatigue, and lower back pain. Overactive bladder symptoms in middle-aged or older men are associated with an increased risk of erectile dysfunction. Benefits of massage on sexual function. Being physically exhausted after a stressful day can affect your libido and erection. high levels of stress caused by work can all play an underlying role in erectile dysfunction. The stress hormone, cortisol, can reduce the level of the male hormone called testosterone, and results in a lower libido over time. Cortisol can also restrict the blood vessels in the genital area. Mode 6 massage relaxes the back, relieves stress, and lowers the levels of cortisol. Massaging the lower back and sacrum is very good for erectile dysfunction. Benefits of far infrared heat on sexual function. A variety of clinical data have proved that far infrared helps men diagnosed with sexual dysfunction and the men not sure to suffer from sexual dysfunction have apparent progress on improvements of their erectile ability, erectile quality, ejaculation controllability, and lower urinary tract symptoms. Far infrared heat expands capillaries, which stimulates increased blood flow, regeneration, circulation, and oxygenation. Increased blood flow has been proven to improve erectile dysfunction. Introducing heat deep into muscles produces an increased blood flow and temperature rise similar to the levels measured during brisk exercise. Temperature elevation also produces an increased blood flow and dilation directly in capillaries, arterioles, and venules, probably through direct action on their smooth muscles. These benefits of the CERAGEM Master V3 far infrared device help to combat the risk factors associated with endothelial risk, with erectile dysfunction and cardiovascular disease. For anyone working to combat cardiovascular disease or erectile dysfunction symptoms, the Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 may be a great place to start. Aside from the sexual function problem, Mode 6 also treats the spine problem related to lower back pain and spinal stenosis. Mode 6 also invigorates the associated organs and treats their issues. Many large studies have shown that age doesn't explain everything. One clear conclusion from studies that have looked into causes of erectile dysfunction is that regardless of age, many risk factors for erectile dysfunction are controllable to some extent. If you maintain a healthy lifestyle, a good diet, get plenty of exercise, take good care of your body, you can lower your chances of having erectile dysfunction, and you lower your risk of other health problems that can cause erectile dysfunction. Prevention is better than cure. Daily use of CERAGEM Master V3 will lower your risk of getting chronic diseases, which in turn helps you avoid experiencing erectile dysfunction too. There is hope. Just in case you are experiencing the erectile dysfunction, we encourage you to use the Mode 6 of CERAGEM Master V3 every day and will be amazed at the result, as most of CERAGEM Master V3 male users have proudly testified. Come and experience it for yourself. For those who are interested in CERAGEM Master V3, please call us at 02-8513-1307, 0998-533-2434 for Smart, and 0917-806-4886 for Globe. For home trial, call ECOM, or free trial by appointment come visit us at CERAGEM PH Quezon Avenue Center, 1328, 2nd floor, Sunshine Boulevard Plaza, Quezon Avenue Corner, Scout Santiago, Barangay South Triangle, Quezon City. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.